Hi, in this video I will show you how you can set up your web hosting if you have purchased it from Hostinger. Here you can see that I have purchased business web hosting from Hostinger and I have also got a free domain for 1 year. Hostinger provides free domain if you are purchasing hosting plans like premium, business or cloud startup from it. To set up the hosting plan, you can click on setup here, or you can go to hosting and then click on setup. So I will click on setup here. The hello screen will appear. Then I click on start now and I will click on I am creating it for myself. You can choose the option according to yourself. And I am building it for myself. And my website will be an online store. Then if you need help building your website, then you can click on yes please, or you can just cancel it. I will go with the yes option. Now here you will get two options. First one is that you can create a new website, and the second one is that you can migrate your website. Migration means that if you already have built your website and it is hosted somewhere else, then you can go with this option and transfer your website. I will create a new website, so I will select this option. Then here we will get again two options. First one is the AI builder and second one is WordPress. If you are a beginner, then you can go with the AI builder. I will create another dedicated video on AI builder. For now, I am going with WordPress. WordPress is a CMS or content management system that lets you build your website for your online store or blogging or your portfolio very easily. I will go with WordPress. Now here you will need to select your language, your admin email address and a password. Hostinger has automatically selected my language and my email address. So I just need a password. I will go with generate password. You can also skip this option if you want to create an empty website where your username, your password, nothing will be set up. You will need to set up those options later. Now I will click on continue. Now here it has given me options to select the plugins that I want to install on my website. I don't want to install any of these plugins, so I will uncheck them and then click on continue, or you can click on skip. I will manage my plugins later. Here again it has given me an option to select the theme for my website. I don't want to select the theme now, so I will click on skip. I don't need a template. And this is the interface for AI text generator. I don't want to generate any text for now, so I will click on skip. I will write content later. Now in this option I can claim a free domain, or I can buy a domain, or I can use an existing domain. I have already purchased my domain, so I will click on this option. My domain will be freshfood.com.pd, and then I will click on continue. Then again click on continue. Now in this option I can select my server location. I will change my server location because I don't want to use any USA server, because my main traffic will be from Bangladesh. So I want a server that is as much close as possible from this location. I will click on change. Then I can select my server location. The closest server location is India, so I will select this. Then click on change and then click on finish setup. It will take some time to finish the setup and it is done. Now I can connect my domain, or I can edit my website from the dashboard, or I can go to the control panel or the hPanel. Let's first visit the control panel. So this is the hPanel. Here you will get all the options that you need to manage your website. Here you will get the file manager, the databases, the auto app installer, and also other options. I will create a dedicated video on the hPanel later. I will surely put the link to the video in the description box, so check that out. Now let's visit the admin panel of our website. So the website you are now watching is actually hosted on my old server. To load the website from Hostinger servers, we need to connect our domain to our hosting. To connect your domain, click on Connect. Here you will need to select your provider. I don't find my domain provider here, so I will click on Other. My domain provider name is BTCL. Let's start. Now I will need to change the DNS of my domain. So I will copy this one first. Then this is my domain provider and this is my dashboard, and here I need to change the DNS. So I will delete this one and paste the new DNS, and I will copy the second DNS and paste it here. Then click on Submit. The domain provider will take some time to propagate the new name servers. Once it's done, I will be able to access my website from my new hosting. Okay, after changing name servers, I have waited almost 3 hours. And now let's check out our website. Our website has successfully loaded. Now let's see if it has loaded from Hostinger servers or the old servers. To check that, right click on the website and go to Inspect. From here, go to Network, then reload the website again. Okay, now go to the domain freshfood.com.bd, and from here you can see that the platform is Hostinger. That means that our website has been loaded from Hostinger servers. So we have successfully set up our business web hosting, and we have also created a website. Hope that you have found this tutorial helpful. If you want to purchase Hostinger hostings, then I will provide the link in the description box and you can purchase it from there. Please give a thumbs up to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.